first, you would want to have your hands already clean. Go ahead and just push back your cuticles and just take off the shine, just like that. And wipe off any dust, any oils that are on your nails. Sometimes you do need to give a little stir. They usually don't have much odor at all, not compared to a typical polish. You simply, I like to put it on the ends of my nails first. Then I go and push up close to the cuticle. Do not get it on your skin. What this does, it protects your nails from any staining, and it helps adhere the gel to your nail. AIMEILI, this is color TC04. Remember, with gels, the preferred way is to stir them up, especially if there's glitter. I'm stirring it just in case there's glitter. And yes, there's glitter in here. So apparently in the cold state, it is a color. I don't know what it is in the warm state. Same way, you apply it. With glitters, you may need to dab it on a little bit if you want more glitter to show. It's color changing right now in front of my eyes, so these are a little bit trickier to use because they're clear when they're warm. You can tell by the glitter and by the shine when you're in person. So apparently this one, when it's cool, it looks like this. When it's warm, it looks like this. It gives you amazing chameleon effects. I'm going to put it in my nail lamp for 30 seconds. And there they are, straight out of the nail lamp. This is their warm state. It's a real light pink, almost clear. Some chunky glitters in there, some fine glitters in there. It's very lovely. And then normally you would add another layer, but I think I'm gonna like it like this because I do have pets. For top coat, I do the same thing as the base. I apply it to my tips first. It's just easier. And then get a little bit more on your brush and just push it up. You want to cap that free edge. That seals it in. Again, don't get it on your skin. Remove it if you do. It's been 60 seconds now. It's all cured. Because it's a no wipe top coat. A lot of them are being made this way now. I still would suggest one more step just to make your manicure last is put a little bit of cuticle on. This really helps your cuticles. It's called cuticle oil, but to me it's like hand oil. Rub it in. It helps the gels to last. It helps your cuticles. Rub it on down. Massage a little bit right here. It helps your nails to grow, especially if you have natural nails, you want them to grow.